Let's have a little fun today. What if a single tweet could move billions of dollars in the global market? For Elon Musk, it's not a what if, it's reality. With just 280 characters, the Tesla and SpaceX CEO has shaken crypto markets, making Bitcoin surge or tumble overnight. But beyond the hype and memes lies a powerful lesson for every investor: the unstoppable force of media influence and personal branding. Welcome back, everybody, to DCA Crypto, where we teach you how to grow your wealth through the power of crypto investing. So here's the deal. We've got Elon Musk, who's not just a tech billionaire. He's a cultural icon. The man who builds rockets with SpaceX, electric cars with Tesla, and tweets memes at 3 a.m. His influence on Bitcoin started small, subtle hints, playful jokes, but as his following grew, the market began to listen, and soon those jokes became market-moving signals. Now let us zoom in on one of the most intriguing aspects of Elon's Bitcoin journey: his tweets. You probably know the big ones, like in early 2021, he added just one word to his Twitter bio, #Bitcoin, and boom, within hours, Bitcoin's price skyrocketed by over 20%, adding roughly $20 billion to its market cap. That's right. In less time than it takes to watch a Marvel movie, he influenced one of the largest cryptocurrencies in the world. But it gets more interesting. A few months later, Tesla revealed they had bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Now the entire cryptoverse went into a frenzy. Some saw it as a sign of mainstream acceptance, others questioned Tesla's move. Either way, Elon was playing a very public game with the market. Then, in a classic Elon move, the reversal came. Citing concerns about Bitcoin's environmental impact, specifically the energy used for mining, Tesla paused accepting Bitcoin for payments, and bam, the market tumbled. One tweet, one decision, billions in value gone. And then there's Dogecoin. Remember the meme coin that started as a joke? While Elon treated his Twitter followers to daily doses of Doge humor featuring Shiba Inu dogs, rocket ships, and quips like Dogecoin might be the superior cryptocurrency, even Tesla's Twitter account jumped in on the fun, tweeting about Dogecoin during Super Bowl weekend. Suddenly, Dogecoin wasn't just some quirky internet meme, it was everywhere. And guess what? Investors took notice. You see, Elon wasn't just tweeting for the laughs. He was turning Dogecoin, a coin initially created for satire, into a bona fide crypto sensation. The question is, how did he do it? How does a multi-billionaire with a quirky Twitter habit turn heads, make markets move, and maybe, just maybe, make a couple of coins along the way? Well, let's start with who Elon Musk is. He's a prolific tweeter known for his off-the-cuff tweets ranging from product announcements to quirky observations. But his audience doesn't just consist of tech enthusiasts. With over 100 million followers, Elon reaches a vast audience, making him one of the most powerful voices in social media. Take his famous #Bitcoin edition, for example. Was it a random whim or a calculated move? Well, considering his subsequent actions, especially regarding Tesla's investment, it seems more like a strategic nudge. Then, there's his Dogecoin banter. He's been teasing Dogecoin since 2020, using the Shiba Inu dog meme to promote the coin. In May 2021, his Saturday Night Live monologue further boosted Dogecoin's popularity. But why does he do it? Why use a digital currency joke to send ripples through the crypto world? Well, there are a few reasons. First, it's Elon being Elon. He's known for his eccentric personality and unpredictability. From launching cars into space to hosting SNL, he keeps people guessing. This unpredictability makes him fascinating, and when he throws a curveball like mentioning Bitcoin in his bio, it grabs attention. Second, it's a way to engage his audience. Elon isn't just sharing business updates on Twitter. He interacts with fans, responds to questions, and even runs polls. Including Bitcoin and Dogecoin in his tweets keeps them in the conversation. It's a bit like dropping Easter eggs for fans, except these Easter eggs have market-moving potential. And third, it's a publicity masterstroke. Whether we like it or not, Elon knows how to generate buzz. By casually slipping in mentions of Bitcoin and Dogecoin, he puts these cryptos on the map. It's like having the coolest kid in class promoting your favorite lunchbox. Suddenly everyone wants a piece of the action. Now, this raises an important point. Elon isn't just a regular guy with a funny Twitter habit. He's a master of marketing, branding, and audience engagement. His tweets aren't just random musings. They're carefully crafted messages that resonate with millions. But the real question is, how can we as investors make sense of this? How do we navigate the world when key crypto influencers can shift the market with a few well-timed tweets? First, let's talk about context. Understanding Elon's tweets requires reading between the lines. Is he genuinely enthusiastic about a project, or is he just messing around? For instance, his Bitcoin bio update wasn't a standalone tweet. It followed Tesla's massive Bitcoin buy. Similarly, his Dogecoin jokes often come with a hint of satire. It's essential to consider the overall context of his tweets, rather than taking them in isolation. Second, diversification is your friend. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. And this applies to both your investments and your sources of information. Don't rely solely on Elon's tweets to inform your decisions. Look at broader market trends, conduct thorough research, and consult with financial advisors. Third, Emotional resilience is key. Crypto is an emotional roller coaster, especially when key players like Elon are involved. Stay level-headed. Don't let FOMO or fear dictate your actions. Remember that short-term market moves can be influenced by tweets, but long-term success comes with a balanced, rational approach. Finally, embrace the unknown. Elon's unpredictability is part of his charm and part of his strategy. He keeps us guessing, which means we should always be ready for curveballs. Stay curious, keep learning, and be prepared to adapt. Now let's talk about what this all means for you as an investor. First, Elon's tweets highlight the importance of personal branding. In the digital age, your online presence matters. Build a strong reputation, engage with your audience, and be authentic. Who knows, your insights might just become the next big thing. Second, understand the power of influence. Social media influencers can shape market sentiment. Stay informed about key players in the crypto space and be aware of their potential impact. Third, media literacy is crucial. We're bombarded with information daily. Develop your critical thinking skills. Evaluate sources, check for biases, and verify information. Finally, remember the bigger picture. Crypto markets are still relatively young. Short-term volatility is normal. Focus on building a solid portfolio, staying informed, and riding the wave in the long term. So the next time you see Elon Musk trending on Twitter, remember that behind the memes and the market moves, there's a valuable lesson waiting to be learned. In a world where anyone with an internet connection can make an impact, it's essential to stay informed, think critically, and adapt quickly. But don't worry, you don't have to go it alone. At DCA Crypto, we're here to guide you through the exciting world of crypto investing. Our platform is designed to help you build, diversify, and grow your crypto portfolio. We offer a wide range of features, including dollar cost averaging, automatic rebalancing, and a user-friendly interface. Plus, our team of experts is always available to help you make informed investment decisions. If you're ready to take the next step in your crypto journey, visit our website to sign up. Use the link below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to join the future of finance. What do you think? How do you navigate influencer tweets in your investment decisions? Drop your thoughts in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this episode, hit that thumbs up button and share it with a fellow crypto enthusiast. As always, thanks for watching. Until next time, stay curious and keep stacking.